Crag Cave. It's 10:52 and our booking time is 12:30. So may time kami mag-explore ng mga area dito sa Crag Cave. Hi, good morning. We are back in County Kerry, here in Castle Island and at Crag Cave. Balik kami kasi last time pumunta kami sa County Kerry, pumunta kami dun sa Dunkin Blasket Island Ferries. And this time, bumalik ulit kami dito after almost more than a week. Dito naman kami pupunta sa Crag Cave. Tingnan natin later kung ano ang meron sa loob. We book our tickets online. So our booking is 12:30. Pero papasok na kami, maglalaro ang mga kids. So we're planning to have lunch before going to the cave. At the entrance, makikita mo dito yung admission prices. Ito rin yung makikita mo online. Usually, lahat ng mga tourist spot at saka mga pasyalan dito sa Ireland, you have to check online para makapag-book ka. Ito yung entrance, lobby. Oh, sa umpisa pa lang is meron na siyang shop for souvenirs. Marami na agad souvenir items. So, at least alam mo na kung saan ka pupunta after ng visit mo sa Crag Cave. And then, dito rin ang kanilang kainan. Ito yung nila, dining area nila. So, pagbili mo ng pagkain. Oh, meron pa dito, oh. Ang dami pa sa loob. Dito tayo kakain. Crazy Cave. So, ito yung outside dining area nila. Ganda. Na nakakonect sa kanilang souvenir shop. So in their shop connected din ang Crazy Cave ng para sa mga bata. Tingnan naman natin tong area na to. Ito yung makikita mo sa loob ng cave. May CR din sila.
All sandwiches are served with coleslaw.
Kahit dalawa lang.
Ako ito.
Try natin yung homemade soup of the day.
Yeah.
Yes, okay. Yan na yun. At least meron na tayong bread, meron tayong soup.
Yeah, ano pa? Ajay.
Dalawa
nito. Okay, may kasama na ng coleslaw at saka sandwich ito.
Fries, coleslaw, and fries.
Okay na yan. Ito na
Ito,
na,
tsaka yan.
At saka
Dalawa. Kasi marami na tong fries.
Like and subscribe.
Skibidi! So, yung mga in-order namin, we're going to eat here inside the Crazy Cave. Oh, okay. Ito na. Depende.
You guys have 90 minutes. Perfect. Yeah, all good. Thank you.
90 minutes.
Guys.
Ooh, galing. Ang galing. Tour guide natin yan. Malakas kaya?
Kuya Axel, bilagay nyo dito sa silver na.
Ito may stairs. May stairs pa. Pwede doon.
Ay, ang jumper mo.
Tingnan yung aming food. Kain muna kami.
Oh, you're so sweaty.
Cappuccino. And then as usual, chicken nuggets.
We love chicken nuggets. This looks crispy.
After 1 hour, we'll go to the Crag Cave na. Oh, pawisan na sila. Ano daw doon? 10 ang temperature. So, makakabawi sila doon. Mag-visit na kami sa Crag Cave. So, this is the assembly area and then this is the way going to the Crag Cave. Malamig doon. So, doon na kayo mag-jacket. Okay, so lalabas kami dito and then paglabas mo, andito na agad yung tunnel going to, not really tunnel, like a pathway going to the Crag Cave. So, please stay on the path at all times. Yeah, can you start the audio?
Our family farm, 1983.
83.
I hope that you're all very excited about going down to see it. It's over 1 million years old, and it runs right underneath where you are standing now. As you walk through the cave, I'm going to tell you all about it. How it was discovered, how caves are formed, and show you all its beautiful formations.
Sabi dito, please read the sign. Please respect this cave and do not touch the formations, okay?
There are 75 steps down into the cave. Oh my god. And then some more steps throughout the tour. So please be very careful. They can be slippery. So always hold the handrail going up and down. Stay together and stay on the pathway all the time. Also, please do not touch any of the formations in the cave. They're extremely delicate and they're thousands of years old. And the oil from your skin will damage them if you touch them. So I hope that you really enjoy your visit through our beautiful cave.
It's getting cold here. What? Ano daw ito, ate? Read the signs. Read the signs here. This is Wi-Fi available here. Number 2, Diver's Delight. This is Diver's Delight. Oo, yeah. Yeah, number 3 na to. Number 3 is
You
the
might
big
have learned
stalactite.
in your job 350 million years ago.
Tuloy-tuloy lang tayo ng pag. Oh, this is nice. Ang masyadong spot. Hindi naman siya ganun kalamig. No, mind your step.
It's bigger and bigger. And they eventually, over thousands and thousands of years, the tunnels become paved. Just
Anong number? What number is this na?
these steps,
Oh,
you will see a little cunt. This tunnel is the oldest
Number 5 na pala tayo.
yeah.
estimated to be nearly
Number 3 pa lang dito.
years old.
Wait,
Can you imagine that?
mas slow down tayo.
1 million
Oh
years.
my god, it's a trap. The trap.
So now you
Flowstone.
to the next reading.
Pwede pa i-plus po.
A very small little fish or a little frog. That will be fish.
Just wait for it. It's gonna
Still going down.
To the bottom of the chamber, under where you stand.
It's gonna drip soon. Look, it's starting to form a little.
Where?
Do you think it feels cold in here?
Yes.
Is it colder than outside?
I feel so good.
Well, that's
Oh, I see it.
on what the weather is like outside. Because in the cave, the temperature always stays the same. It's always 10 degrees Celsius,
Bro.
50 degrees Fahrenheit.
Ilang degrees ate?
Stays that way.
10 degrees. Maintain lang daw ang 10 degrees dito sa loob.
We're at the end of. Oh yeah, like they like this, just like this tiny crack.
So, nagkakaroon lang ng light. Nag-go-on lang yung light kapag may dumadaan na tao.
Yeah.
And now, we're going to the cathedral. I'm not sure if this is already at the end of the tunnel, pero hindi ko alam kung asan yung cathedral.
No, Axel. This is the little.
Yeah. So, we reached the end of the cave. Oh, this is the number 8. Crystal Gallery.
Guys.
Finish. Ito na yung Crystal Gallery. This is the end of the
Castle Fistro.
of the cave. Anong tawagan?
Number 8.
8 station.
Crystal Gallery.
Kasi marami siyang marami siyang mga tulo-tulo.
Marami siyang masisira. Kaya hanggang dito na lang siya.
Parang mga... back. So, if you're going straight, as in straight, walang stopover and everything, siguro aabot lang siya ng mga... Siguro mga 10 minutes lang ate, ang one way. Without any stopover. Maganda rin experience kasi tahimik, kayo lang ang maingay. At kukunti lang din ng tao sa ngayon na pumunta kami. Which is good. Kasi na-enjoy mo lahat. Pero sa tingin ko, kung medyo crowded ito, by the time na pumunta kami, baka hindi siya ganun ka memorable at saka magandang experience kasi maliit yung pathway. Balik na kami. Ibang angle naman siya mo makikita. Kaya iba pa rin. Ito katulad yan. Katulad dito, hindi ko to nakita kanina nung papunta doon. Pero ngayon pabalik na kami. So nakita ko na siya. Buti na lang yung mga kasama namin kids hindi na kids. Pero maingay pa rin sila.
I think it's only when you walk this way.
Ayun. Yeah, kasi hindi siya pag medyo slow yung movement natin, hindi niya na-detect na may tao.
The light is already on.
Yeah, now. I think dahil sa may nakita tayo dito mga brush, so I think para hindi siya mag-molds, pag hindi create ng molds at hindi mas lalo maging slippery, nililinis din nila yung mga steps. So wala kang makikita mga molds dito or something. Kahit lagi siyang may tubig.
Your vanilla cookie's a boy. I'm joking. Wait.
Ang limit is 30 minutes, pero dahil sa walang masyadong visitors, kaya allowed kaming, hindi kami ni-restrict. Oo. Kaya nga sabi ko sa'yo, lang yun konti lang.
75 steps? Why is it like... What?
Mas nakakapagod yung paakyat.
Okay. This is 75 in total. You're back.
It feels so uncomfortable. Ay, tita, when you go back, it's the worst.
I want to go back to the...
Glasses.
I bet y'all catch me.
So this is the end of our trip in Crag Cave. Goodbye.